6:31, new this morning. While the start of the school year is about a month out, it's not too early to get your kids their back-to-school immunizations. Adams County Health Department officials urge parents to make sure their kids are up to date on their vaccinations. WGEM's Ryan Hill joins us with more on why it's important. Ryan, good morning.
Good morning. Now, here at the Adams County Health Department, they tell me they have all sorts of vaccinations available for parents to give for parents, and all parents need to do to make sure their kids get one is to just walk in with their kid. Now, Beth Davis, the immunization supervisor, says parents need to bring a photo ID, their child's insurance, and any records of if they've gotten vaccines in other states. As she said, it's important kids get immunizations because the more children are vaccinated, the more it helps stop the spread of diseases like polio, measles, and others. She says for parents who are hesitant, the staff work with them to tell them why they should get their children vaccinated.
Our nurses here at the health department are very good about having those conversations with parents. So if you have any hesitancy about vaccines, we welcome you to come into the health department and have those conversations with us. And we are more than willing to sit down and explain vaccines and the whys and the effectiveness of the vaccines we have.
Davis says aside from the required vaccines for kindergarten, 6th grade, and 12th grade, there are other vaccines they can get, including HPV vaccination starting at age 9, and meningitis B vaccination for their senior year of high school. He says they're also a part of the Help Fair. It's at Quincy's Isles Elementary School on August 3rd from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Parents can get their kids' vaccinations there. They just have to make sure to bring their ID and insurance. Live in Quincy, Ryan Hill, WGEM News.
Ryan, thank you. And here's some more information on this story. Davis says the deadline to get kids vaccinated for the school year is October 15th in Illinois. For more information on the required vaccines for Missouri and Iowa, check out this story at WGEM.com.